Welcome back to Pente Spotlight. I'm Grace, your data security, safety, and compliance guide, here to help us separate smart innovation from risky shortcuts, without panic and without jargon.
And I'm Joshua, your enthusiastic tech buddy who loves turning complex ideas into everyday stories. If AI were a superhero movie, I'd be the kid in the front row saying, "Okay, but how does this help the world?"
Today's story comes from The Economist, and it has a dramatic title. The race for an AI Jesus is on. Don't worry, no robots in sandals. The article looks at how some people in Silicon Valley are starting to talk about AI not just as a tool, but almost as a savior that could solve humanity's biggest problems.
Exactly. The piece explains that some tech leaders believe super advanced AI, often called AGI, could become so intelligent that it feels almost godlike. They imagine it fixing climate change, curing diseases, and even helping decide what's best for society. It's like a race to build the ultimate brain, hoping it turns out to be a wise hero, not a chaotic villain.
And this is where my safety radar starts beeping, not loudly, but seriously. When we treat AI as all-knowing, we stop questioning it. These systems are built by humans, trained on human data, and they can make human mistakes. No matter how powerful the tech, it must always stay accountable, auditable, and under human control.
That's such an important point. From a business and innovation angle, belief in AI's potential is driving massive investment, faster breakthroughs, and global competition. And that part is exciting. But the healthiest companies don't treat AI like a miracle. They treat it like a super smart intern. Incredibly fast, incredibly helpful, but still needing guidance, boundaries, and supervision.
The article also hints at something deeper, a cultural shift. As trust in institutions drops, some people start placing that trust in technology instead. That's a big emotional moment for society, and it makes ethical, transparent, and human-led AI development more important than ever.
So the real goal isn't an AI Jesus. It's AI as a trusted assistant, helping doctors, teachers, engineers, and businesses do amazing things, while humans stay firmly in charge of values and decisions.
Our takeaway today: AI can be powerful and inspiring, but it should never replace human responsibility.
Exactly. The future works best when innovation and wisdom grow together.
Thanks for listening to Pente Spotlight.
If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And we'll see you next time.